Let's quickly review Miro new update. The prototype update is still on beta. Let's quickly go. So when you go to your Miro, you click on new artboard, then you click on this AI tools, then you see prototype. You see that it's already in beta. Then you select a screenshot. You can select that mobile or desktop. We're selecting mobile. Then we are going to upload our screenshot. I already took a screenshot, which is the Piggyverse screenshot, the mobile one. So we are going to import that screenshot. So that's the screenshot. Then we upload it to Miro, and it's loading, generating the content, generating the content. So as soon as the content is generated, now we have it. So this is now editable. It's a screenshot. Remember, it was a screenshot. Now you can edit it, you can edit the color, you can edit the text. This is good for if you are trying to ideate with so many group of people, so you can just import the screenshot, let everyone come into the Miro board and edit. You see, they can change the color. Maybe yes, when someone is saying blue is better, you are saying green is better. Okay, you put in blue, you put in green. You see the text, you see the image. This was just a screenshot. This is a good one from Miro. I'm sure all designers have access to Miro. Bye. See you in the next one.